How to post job on LinkedIn. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to post job on LinkedIn. So then to begin with, go ahead and log in into your LinkedIn account. And when you're logged into your account, that is going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now while you're on this page, go to the job section from the bottom right hand side corner. And here you need to swipe towards the left hand side and go to post a free job. Then you'll be directed to this page. You have to go ahead and enter in all of these information. So here you could go ahead and press on write with AI, or you can just go ahead and tap on write on my own. And next, what you have to do is you just have to go ahead and enter in all of these information, such as add a photo and then upload all of that. So I'm going to quickly enter in all of these information. When you're done giving information, it's going to take you to this page where you have to go ahead and enter the job description. So over here, you could just go ahead and enter in all of the information that has been asked. So you just type in the information that you need to go ahead and save it and click the save button from the top right. And if you're sure about it, go ahead and press the post job button and enter in the email address that you wish to contact, or just go ahead and click the information. And when you've done that, you'll be receiving a verification code and you have successfully posted jobs on LinkedIn. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.